page 3 to 4. An Introduction to Value Stream Mapping by Jostein Langstrand. Definition of terms. Please observe that the terms below might be used in slightly different ways in different contexts. The following list gives an overview of how the terms are used in this compendium. 1. Bottleneck. The operation or function with the lowest capacity, usually the operation with the longest cycle time per unit. The bottleneck sets the limit for the production pace and thus the capacity of the entire process. 2. Buffer. Inventory between operations. Compensates for differences in cycle time, lack of synchronization between operations. 3. Changeover. Activities that are required to prepare an operation or process for another type of product. The time allocated for this is called changeover time, also known as setup time. 4. Customer demand. The number of products that the customers are expected to buy or order during a certain time period. 5. Cycle time. The time required to complete one cycle of an operation, or to complete a function, job, or task from start to finish. For automated or compound processes, the cycle time is the time between each output from the process. 6. Downstream. Parts of the production process or value stream, or operations, that occur after an arbitrary point or operation. See upstream. 7. Downtime. Time when equipment is unavailable for production due to, for example, equipment breakdown or planned maintenance. See also uptime. 8. FIFO. Abbreviation for first in first out. Queuing system in which the products are handled in the order that they arrive in the queue. 9. Flow. Continuous production process with no buffers between operations. 10. The Junker box. Scheduling system to level out the production. 11. Inventory. A collective term for stored goods. Inventory can be placed before incoming goods, within or after a process, finished goods. 12. Inventory. Lead time, waiting time that the products spend in inventory or buffers. Calculated by multiplying takt time and average number of items in inventory. 13. Kanban. Cards used for signaling customer need downstream. See also pull. 14. Lead time. Number of minutes, hours, or days that must be allowed for the completion of an operation or process, or must elapse before a desired action takes place. 15. Manufacturing lead time. See process time. 16. Non-value adding time. Time spent on activities that do not directly add value to the product. These activities are usually needed to support value-adding activities. 17. Operation time. Total time that is dedicated to a product in a specific operation. Equals changeover time plus process time. 18. Process efficiency. In VSM or value stream mapping, the ratio of process time, value-adding time, to lead time. Calculated by dividing the total process time by total lead time. Also known as flow time efficiency. 19. Process lead time. An alternative term for process time. 20. Process time. Total time required to properly handle an item within a process step. This includes order preparation time, run time, move time, inspection time, and put away time. For simple processes, the cycle time and the process time can be used interchangeably. See value-adding time. 21. Pull. The principle in which production is triggered by customer demand. If there is no customer demand, the process or operation waits. Opposite of push. 22. Push. The principle in which production operates at full capacity regardless of customer demand. Opposite of pull. 23. Quality rate. The ratio of acceptable products, sometimes indicated by the defects rate instead. 24. Setup time. Also changeover time. See changeover. 25. Takt time. Frequency or pace of production required to meet customer demand. Defined as available time divided by customer demand. Sometimes the term customer takt time is used to mark the difference from the production pace, production takt time. 26. Tin wood. The source of all waste. See waste. 27. Upstream. Operations in earlier parts of the production process or value stream. See downstream. 28. Uptime. The time when equipment is ready for production. See downtime. 29. Value-adding time. Time spent on activities that add value to the product, that is what the customer is prepared to pay for. Usually indicated by the process time. 30. VSM. Abbreviation for value stream mapping. Sometimes also used for indicating the value stream map itself. 31. Waiting time. Time when products or people are idle. 32. Waste. Anything that slows down the value stream without benefit. Usually defined as unnecessary transportation, inventory, motion, waiting, overprocessing, overproduction, and defects. 33. Working process. Often abbreviated WIP. Indicates products that are somewhere in the production chain, usually before the finished goods inventory. Also, work in progress.